Okay, today guys, I am going to be sharing with you, I decided I'm going to go ahead and use stuff that I haven't used a while in my craft space. And for me, that's going to be this envelope punch board. So I'm going to encourage you to do the same too as well. And also the scrapbook paper, the Halloween scrapbook paper. I don't use much Halloween scrapbook paper nor fall, but I do have a couple pieces. And so I'm going to encourage you to get those out, those items that you don't use much of, and create with it. So this envelope punch I really haven't used. I played around with it a little bit before, but I really haven't created anything with it. So I decided to look at some video and see what I could create using the envelope punch board. So if you're interested in seeing how I create these little pouches, please do stick around. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So let's jump right into it. You know, guys, I tried going live and doing this live. I did several takes, and I don't know, I got a new iPhone with a nice, better camera. And every time I start the live, it's just not ending, and it wasn't ending, and it kept on running. So I have to figure that one out, because it's nice to do the lives and you have less editing and whatnot. So anyway, so this envelope punch, if you guys have one in your craft room, what do you use it for outside of creating envelopes for it? So saw a couple sizes. I saw a lot of people doing the 5x5 paper, and it creates this size. This is cute, nice and slender, but you know, you can't hold that much within this. And then I said I'll just use the 6x6 paper. It's less wastage, and you could hold several more items in that one. So these are nice little pouches you could use for your trick-or-treaters, your school teachers, your school bus drivers, and your crafty friends. I mean, we love getting embellishments. For those of you who does the swaps, these here would hold a nice embellishments within the pockets. So you'll be able to hold one or two, as well as a couple pieces of candies. So, you know, you could get creative in using these pouches. So what we're going to do is start out using a 6x6 piece of cardstock. And this is nice because it comes with the score tool. You have a little spot for it here. And what we're going to do, 6x6, this tells you the measurements, how to use it. It's not that quite clear. I had to watch a couple videos and that. So I'm going to look, paper size is 6x6, and your score line, we're going to line it up 2 5/8. So on this left hand side, we're going to go 2 5/8. Okay. And what we're going to do is punch, and then we're going to score. And if you see right here, you have like a little groove right here. We're going to be following along here. I just usually hold my tool upside down. I guess it's upside down, and go ahead and score right in there. And so we're going to be working counterclockwise. So this is the score line. We're going to be turning it. And this is the guide, score guide. So we're going to line the score line up with that guide. Okay, so once you get your first measurements, that's it. You're going to just follow the score guide, okay, to do the other sides, the other 3 sides. So what we're going to do is punch, and then we're going to score. Turn it counterclockwise. We're going to line this up with the score guide. All right. So then we're going to punch and then score. All right, counterclockwise again. All right, line that up with our score line. We're going to punch and score. And this was the last side. So if you guys are new to my channel, you like what you see, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, as well as that bell icon, so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So we're going to turn it long ways to create our pouch. So not this way, where you create your little envelope. So we're going to turn it this way. And then also they have this little reverse punch right here to the side. If you want to round out your corners, you could put it in here and round out your corners. So that's a nice little tool that they have that little spot there. So I'm just going to keep it just as is. And next, what we're going to do is fold these in. I'm going to use the same scoring tool to help burnish these score lines. We're just going to fold that in and fold this in. And we're going to fold this one in. And then we're going to get our glue and put this together, okay? I think this was sitting out a little bit. Let me make sure that the hole is patent and it's not clogged. And I'm using my favorite art glitter glue. And it's nice if you get the little kit that comes with this little fine point tip. And then what we're gonna do is just add some glue here and then glue this piece over. And then we'll do the same to the other side. Okay. So if you guys are liking what you see, go ahead and hit that like button down below as well. So then you have your pocket. I'm just gonna make sure no glue got in the inside. So then we'll just decorate that up. And then I had created I got some die cuts out last year, and I have some little pieces with my Halloween stuff. So you could just add to design this up as you would like. Let's see what we got. Let's see how this piece here would look. This is a nice little big piece. And so I'll add that to this. I usually add a little cardboard to the back of my little die pieces to make them a little sturdier. And so next, what I'm just going to do here, add a little tag here to the top. I'm gonna just go ahead. I just have let's see if this is gonna fit. The word eek. And then I am just gonna stamp that here. So I'm just gonna get out some twine. Let's see if I have my little twine. There we go. I have got this black and orange twine from Dollar General for just $1. It's like 9 feet. It's not much on here. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece and then just add my tag here. But before I do that, I'm gonna just get my crocodile and add a little hole. I'm gonna use the smaller of the 2 holes. You could add little eyelets in this too to make it sturdier if you choose, depending on who you're giving it to. The kids may just throw these things out. Let's see here. So then, let me see if I fit these 2 legs through here. And fit those legs to the hoop. And then that's it. So I mean, so you could add other pieces, design other things here to it. You could add other little embellishments. Like I have eyeballs. Like you have smaller eyeballs. You know, you could just put these things here to use. You could glue on some little eyeballs. Get your embellishments out that you typically don't use. You could give him some googly eyes too. What about that? Yeah, that looks nice. Let's give him some googly eyes. Let's do that. Let me see if this is going to hold it. Add a little glue. You may do better with the hot glue. Let's just add that. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I have to figure out this live stream. I don't know if it's just with my phone. Look at the googly eyes. I think that is so cute. So you know, another thing too, let's bring those in, the ones that I created, like on this one here too as well. So another thing that I created was some little bows. Look at this. Isn't that cute? And these little, I show you in the haul, these little charms, snowflakes, and it came with some Christmas trees in silver. I got those from Temu, but I created this bow using that same envelope board punch. So I could come on and do another video to create these little bows. And if you do craft fairs, I mean, this would be nice to create some bows and package those up nicely. So that's my little project that I'm sharing with you guys today. And thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette. I'll catch you guys on that next video.